Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts and it's that time again. It's Daily Doodles week 9. Oh my goodness. So here we go. I'm using the book How to Draw Almost Every Day. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it below. Come on and let's doodle. This week doesn't disappoint. We've got another random assortment coming up, so hold on to your butts. 225 is like emotions, or like different faces that show emotions, which their faces are super cute. But I made the mistake of trying to give my little person a chin, and it just made her look evil. It made her look evil. Zoom in and be afraid. She's winking at you though, so that's the plus side. And then I drew this hand, and it's again a very scary hand. It must belong to the very scary girl. It's pointy and it's got pointy nails. You know those manicures with the pointy nails? I saw a picture with somebody with that manicure on their toes. How would you even wear shoes? I find that entirely scary, really scary. You could pierce someone with your toes. I guess it's like a weapon. But then, would they let you on an airplane if your toes were considered weapons? I'm just picturing someone having to clip their toenails before they can get on the airplane. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. I'm off track. Okay. I'm actually caffeinated doing this, so watch out. There's nail polish bottles, which I love because, my daughter's always begging me to paint her nails. So, and then I drew a little shirt, and then I don't know what date it was, but they did flower backgrounds. So I'm just doodling little flowers around, and I did a little pair of shoes, a little pair of flats there. This spread actually ended up being sort of like an ode to spring. Just because I need it so much. So we've got a happy face, well, a scary happy face, and painted nails, and a picture of a trumpet. I think that's a trumpet. So, and then like a little hand tambourine drum thing, and then a cat on a swing, which, you guys don't have to guess twice that that's my favorite thing, is the cat on the swing. And it all just feels very happy to me. It's like a bunch of happy things that remind me of warmth. So that's what I need right now. That's what we all need right now. And I just have the swing coming down from the top of the page. I think that's cute. I love it when things like hang down from the top of the page, like Christmas ornaments and swings, and that made no sense unless I showed you what I meant. But the cat on the swing, my favorite. And then on, let's see, 3-2 is this cute little flower plant doodle. Again, more spring. I love little simple flower doodles. They just look so cute. And then the third, March 3rd, is, well, it was a piano, but I decided to draw the music keys, kind of like piano keys or whatever, and then the music notes. I mean, my husband could tell you what these are because he plays an instrument, the trombone. And so he knows this stuff. And the other day he was trying to tell Addie what the different notes were, So that also reminded me of spring, just happiness and music, And then what else? I'm drawing the music notes. He actually has a t-shirt from his time in band that says the Boners. I guess all the trombone people had that t-shirt. University of Minnesota. So he was a boner. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's amazing.
Do boner jokes ever get old? No, I don't think they do.
I'm going to be 36 in a few days, and it still makes me laugh, so whatever. And then let's see, what else? More plants. I decided to draw more flowers. And then I used all my new Pigma Micron colors, you guys. Sorry, throat bubble. I used all my new colors of Pigma Microns and I colored in different stuff. I got individual colors on jet pens and I was super excited about that. And then I pulled out one of my palettes, or maybe two, I can't remember. I think I might have pulled out the neutrals so I had a skin tone type color, but this is the Jane Davenport Brights palette, and I'm just throwing some watercolors in here. I really wanted to use my microns a lot, so I did. So there wasn't a whole lot to watercolor, but threw in some fun pinks, and since it felt so springy to me, I just wanted the Brights palette because I wanted it to be bright, as the name would suggest. So we just went with bright colors here. Bright and happy and cheerful. That's what we're doing. And then the neutrals is great because if you like to draw people or something, you know, like that, you can mix so many different skin tones with this neutral palette. None of the other palettes have great colors for skin, as far as I'm concerned. It's kind of hard to come up with a good mix that makes sense. And then I just decided to add blue sky. Blue sky is what I want to see. We actually have blue sky today here in Iowa, but it's 8 below. 8 below 0 in March. So
Please, God, listen to my prayers.
and then I put some green on the bottom, you know, for like grass. So all in all, it's kind of making me happy. I used my Mildliners to write spring in between the swing handles. And I hope you guys had fun doodling with me. I know this was a short one, but it was fun and it's bright and cheerful, and that's all we can ask for right now, right? So I think that this doodle thing has been fun, and I might throw in something from the other book that I have, How to Doodle Almost Everything, and maybe we'll just liven it up. Thanks, guys. Bye.